Okay, as promised, another video of nature. Back here at the giant beaver dam. Today I came a little more prepared. I don't mind getting wet so much. This is all new pools here. The beavers have the water level so high that it's just pouring over the edges of this rock wall. These rapids are crazy. Makes my mind go places. The source. I believe that's a big beaver chew. 4 feet up on that tree. So this is a big beaver. It's hard to appreciate the water level difference up here to down there, and you can't get it all in the same picture. Very difficult. It's raging. Oh, this is a new little area that just formed. New little set of pocket waterfalls, if you will. Cloud actually washed out a little bit. They're going to be back at work chewing my trees. That snow last night melted a lot. We had 4 inches, now we only have 1. Back through Hemlock Grove. Like 3 feet up there, another 2 feet right here drop. Black birch missing in action. gonna hop around to the other side. So now I'm down here at the end. Off in the distance you can see the beaver hut right above my fingernail. Look how far that drops. I bet it's at least 6 feet. I'm gonna skip around to the other side. Here's the view from the other side of the river. The corner of the property. There is a big beaver hut. There's another beaver hut further down. And my boat is parked over here in this corner. Come down here and look at this awesome tree. That thing's huge. It's 5 feet across. I wish I had a can I could stick up there so you could scale it. I mean, it's about to fall right into the river here. These beavers are up and down this hill. You can see their footprints everywhere. I'll hop around, look at the dam up close. Scary in there. So to gauge this is about, I would say, 50 feet of rock wall packed in with beaver chews. That's all the sticks out of our yard. I was just walking around down there the other day where there was no water.